Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So many of you have been asking the question is what is the update on layoff? What is the update on recession? So in this video, we are going to tell you about the current market situation that everyone is going off and what is the trend of hiring, when the hiring will start, especially when the software testing hiring will start, right? So these particular things would be discussed in this video. But before that, if you're watching this video for the very first time, then please do hit like, share, and subscribe our channel, right? So now let us look into the detail. What is the current market scenario, right? Now, if you see the current market scenario, so still the the software testing jobs, or you can say the IT jobs. Now, many of you have been trying in the to get the job of software development, to get the job of software testing. So would you be able to get it in upcoming days? Yes or no? So the answer is yes, definitely. The jobs, the hiring will start. So it is expected from the beginning of 2024 year, the hiring might start, right? So let me just share the screen and tell you in detail why we are thinking like this. Okay, now few questions. When the hiring will start, right? And then we also have when the layoffs and recession will end, right? And we will also tell you why we are thinking in 2024 the tech jobs will increase, right? The hiring will start. Okay. So basically this particular key points we are going to discuss in this video in detail. And if any one of you has any point of view or you have any thought to share, then feel free to share in the comment section of the video, right? Now, first of all, let us understand why the recession has come up. So recession has come up basically due to the two reasons. One is the global economy, right? It's not that the only in India the hiring is not happening or the freshers are not getting placement opportunities, but it is across the world. And believe me or not, in in India still the situation is too good. If you see outside India, the situation has worsened. So if you compare in India, if you see one person has got laid off, but if you see outside India, five persons have laid off. So there is a ratio of one is to four or one is to five. So the job opportunities are in India are still there, but it is just the problem is for the freshers and for the juniors, those are not there. Those job opportunities are there for the experienced people, right? And this global economy. So whenever you see this IT market, if you see the recession of 2008, if you see the current situation, it's not because anything has happened within India. These are all the factors that are getting impacted because the things that are happening outside India, right? So this is actually the low luster, you can say, or you can say the bad times of the global economy, that it is going in the red, and hence the tech jobs are decreasing, the demand is decreasing, and hence the supply is as such too good, too high. The demand is less, supply is more, hence the layoffs, hence the recession is happening, right? We will also discuss in detail about people who are scared with for layoffs, right? And we will also discuss about the people who have already got laid off, right? So these are one of the major reasons why the recessions, layoffs have happened. It is not that the company does not wants to support you. It is not that the company does not wants you. They have hired you. They have interviewed you after multiple rounds, after investing a lot of time. They have also onboarded you. They have assigned you a lot of tasks, and now they are laying off. It means the company is not having that much of money to pay you, hence they are laying off, right? So this these are the few common reasons for layoffs, recession, right? Now, when the hiring will start? So in 2024, in the beginning of 2024, this situation will improve, definitely improve. Now, if you see the layoffs, there are various websites available where you can see how many companies have laid off, how many employees, right? So you will get list of companies. So there is a website called layoffs.fyi. So you will get all these details, right? Now, if you see the recent number, so it is decreasing. So it is expected by 2024 beginning, the first quarter itself, you will get some good news, right? The hiring will start. But at the same time, I'm not telling the hiring will start in the batch level or in the bulk level. It will slowly and gradually it will start. That means what? If there is one vacancy, there will be thousands of people who would be applying. Even if it's a small company, a lot of people are not having jobs, so they will be applying. So you will have to be prepared well. You will have to be, up to the mark to make sure that your interviews go too good. There should not be any reason that you get rejected. Now, many people are thinking that there are less testing jobs in the market. No one is getting the job in the testing, so they are switching to non-technical. But it is not like that, my friend. The entire IT industry is getting impacted. If you're looking for a job in software development, if you're looking for a job in software testing, SAP, business analyst kind of a things, project management kind of roles, then across the market, the situation is like this, right? So if you are looking for making your career in the field of software testing, so don't worry, right? It's not only you in the ship. Lots of people are facing the same, are undergoing from the same situation. Okay, now we were thinking about this. The people who have got laid off, and there are some people who are scared of layoffs. Now, see, if you are already scared that the management is not giving you good ratings, or you are being, not considered about your role, about your position in your company, then start updating your resume. Update your resume daily in Naukri.com. If you are having 4+, 5+ years of experience, there are a lot of opportunities in the market. And if you are prepared for automation testing also, if you know manual plus automation, then definitely there are a lot of opportunities, right? So start updating your resume now itself, because sometimes, what happens once you get laid off, you will hardly be getting time to update your resume. You won't be able to recall also on what projects, on what technical skills you are working in the last company. So update your resume right away, create your profile right away, right? Start giving interviews, start giving mock interviews. If you want to give mock interviews, you can also give, you can also share your CV at rdautomationlearning@gmail.com. And if you are specifically looking for Java technical questions, so there is a new channel that we have started, that is RD Technical Learning. So please subscribe that channel today itself. Every day we are uploading lots of shorts videos on Java interview questions. Daily one video we'll try our best that it is uploaded with respect to Java interview questions. Java is very necessary if you are looking for a profile of automation tester, right? So this is about the layoffs thing. The people who are scared of layoff, who are, just scared, oh, tomorrow I might receive one email. Now, people who have already got laid off, right? So there is nothing to get disappointed. Again, there are multiple ways. What you should do is you should make your connections on LinkedIn. Instead of spending time on Instagram and Facebook, you should spend time on LinkedIn. On LinkedIn, you will be able to get in touch with a lot of good professionals who are already working in some reputed companies. Once they will refer you, automatically your chances of getting hired, automatically your chances of getting recruited will increase, right? This is not only for people who have got laid off, but it is also for people who have experience but are not getting jobs. It is also for people who are freshers but are not getting jobs. So go on LinkedIn, spend some time on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is one of the key website in today's era in which you will get a lot of job opportunities, right? And give mock interviews. Until unless you won't give mock interviews, you won't be able to know to what extent you are having knowledge, right? To what extent you are prepared, right? So give mock interviews. These mock interviews are absolutely free of cost. We won't be charging anything to you. It is just that you need to have a good internet connection so we can record this interview. It would be uploaded on our YouTube channel. If you are looking for software testing interviews, you can share your CV at rdautomationlearning@gmail.com. You can also share your CV at the same email address with the subject line as Java interview. And that interviews will be uploaded on RD Technical Learning YouTube channel. So that's it for this video. Hope you won't get disappointed after this video. So a lot of information has been shared, which is, worthwhile sharing. So before getting disappointed, before opting out of the IT career. So it's okay if you do 1 or 2 months of non-technical job, that is fine. Everyone is doing those kind of things for their bread and butter, but don't get demotivated, right? Just don't think for that your entire life is ruined by just doing engineering and thinking of IT jobs. In 2024, definitely a lot of opportunities are going to come. So let's just wait for some time. You have been patient since long, right? This situation has been since 1.5 year, right? It is just a much it just the last moment. It's the tail of the moment that is going on. Very soon the situation will improve, right? So thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.